Everyone, tie a ponytail and then put the hair bun pin like this or the tool. Now roll it upward and spread it from the sides. Fix the hairs by putting the bun pin over the hairs and your bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fold them upward and fix it on the rubber band like this. Spread the hairs from the sides and fix it. Now make the plaits and fold it like this and put the hairpins and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the hairs from the sides and then rotate it. Now, fold it and make the plaits on the sides of the hairs after dividing it and fold it upward and fix it using the hair clutches and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Now, fix this bun pin on the hairs. First, you have to roll the hairs together like this. Now, fold it upward and fix it. After folding the hairs, put the hair clutch like this over it tightly and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the plaits or just make a ponytail and fix this bun pin or the bun tool on the hairs and fold it upward. Fix it from the sides and put this bun pin on the hairs on the sides like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs like this as shown in the video. Fix it. Now, you have to fix the hair clips like this. Put it inside the small section of the hairs by taking small section, roll them and fix it inside it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail and fix this bun stick. Now roll the hairs around it like this and then fold it upward. Tie the rubber band and fix it like this and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, take the hairs and then rotate it. Divide the hairs into two parts, make the plaits and fold it upward. Fix it like this and then clutch it on the top and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Fix this bun rotating tool like this. Rotate the hairs from the sides. Tie it like this on the bottom section. Fold it and fix it on the side like this. Put the hair clutch and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Now fix the hairs by rolling it like this and fold it upward and fix it. Now fix the hair clutch over the hair like this and your bun will be ready. Next, you have to tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun tool and fold the hairs upward and roll it like this. Fix it from the sides, tie it and it's ready. You can fix it using this bun pin on the downsides and it's done. Next, you have to tie the hairs. Fix this bun stick. Roll the hairs around it and tie it from the bottom. Now fold it upward and fix it like this. Fix it from the sides and it's ready. Next, you have to tie the hairs as shown in the video. Make a high ponytail. Now rotate it. Now tie the hairs properly. After that, roll it down and fix it from the between. Fold it like this and put the hair clutch over it and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, you have to tie a ponytail and fix the hairs in the half. Divide it from the between and then rotate it. After that, fix it over the bun and take the hairs from the sides. Curl it like this and fix it using the hair clutch and your hairstyle is almost ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail. Now fold the hairs in the between like this and fix it. Turn the hairs upward from covering it like this and make the clutch and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.